Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by enabling the hotspot feature on your AT&T device and verifying your plan supports tethering. Once done, plug in or ensure battery is above 50% so the session won't drop. Open Settings or swipe to Quick Settings and tap Mobile Hotspot. This creates the network. Make sure you read the prefilled network name and password. You'll use them on other devices. Change the password if it's generic for security, and remember where the hotspot toggle lives for quick access later. You now connect a laptop or tablet to the new AT&T hotspot. From the client device, pick the hotspot SSID and type the password exactly, including capitalization and symbols. Once connected, verify the security protocol, select WPA2 or WPA3 for better encryption. Do not use open networks. In the hotspot settings on your phone, set a device limit to prevent unwanted connections and reduce data drain. Also enable band selection, if available, to prefer 5 GHz for faster speeds on compatible devices. To finish, check your AT&T app or phone settings for current data use and session length so you don't exceed limits. Once done, close unused apps that consume background data, and if sharing, turn off the hotspot when finished. If the connection is weak, restart the hotspot and the client device. That often clears routing issues. Make sure your device OS and carrier profile are up to date. If problems persist, reset network settings as a last step and contact AT&T support for account or provisioning issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.